Hello. It's me. I got the companion app, finally. I wanted the companion app, but I didn't know how to get it. So, yeah. Wait a minute, I wanna see something. Oh, you could walk on the drone? That's cool. I got the green drone. 1 second, I'm gonna go show y'all in the mirror. So, yeah, guys, I got the green camera. You see? Probably because my color code's green.
Yo, cool camera.
Yeah, thanks.
Wait, are you a
doing
YouTuber?
Yeah, I only have like 2 subscribers.
I wanna be your biggest fan.
Thank you. Shout out to him. Hey,
Skibbity. We're trying to get $1 billion.
You're trying to get $1 billion? I can help.
Yeah,
I can help.
or $100,000.
Who wants to carry my camera?
I think I can.
1 second, I have hip slots. Why am I asking people?
I have $15,000.
Okay, so I'm getting a revolver, a bunch of revolver. Oh, so I'm getting a revolver, a bunch of revolver ammo, light, hook shot.
Yo, I'ma follow you.
Okay, the hook shot. Would you like an item?
Huh?
Would you like an item?
How did you get this? Like,
the companion app.
Oh, the companion.
Unlike, yeah, it's on Android and Apple.
Oh, I wish I had that. Oh yeah, I was in a moderator code and I almost got $1 billion.
You almost got $1 billion?
Yeah, I almost got $1 billion. I think I missed friend. I think I don't need it. I'm a follow.
Where'd my camera just go? Oh, you good? Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a baby. It's a baby.
He's selling some items! Selling my items! Yeah, I'm selling some items! How many items? Oh, you
want to pick up my camera?
Are we trying to get $1 billion?
I don't know if
Are we trying to get $1 billion?
Take your money, guys!
What's that?
Okay, where should we go?
Everybody's over here getting some money.
Okay, I'm coming.
Bye, guys!
See, they're coming over here.
What? That's cool. Wait a minute, how do I let my camera follow me? I don't think I can. I think it changes to your color code. Sorry guys, if it's a little odd. But y'all can finally hear my voice. I know in the last video y'all couldn't. I hope that makes the video better so you can hear what I'm saying. Where are you guys at? Oh, see you.
We're in the cave.
I see you! You wanna go in here?
We need to get, yeah, you could go in there or you could wait for me.
I'm gonna wait for you, okay? Okay.
My God.
Mining montage. Mining.
I'm mining so much. Yo, I keep mining so much.
Sorry guys for throwing you all around. Oh, he got great. What do you think he's gonna get? He got an unreleased shield. You got an unreleased shield from your chest. Yo, bro, you got 1 second. Let's see if you get another unreleased shield.
Yeah, my name is Tutu.
1 second.
I never been
Sunglasses
a fan.
guy.
Yeah. You
Come
could
here,
call
come
me
here.
Choo Choo. You could call
Choo
me
choo.
Choo Choo.
Okay. Choo choo.
Yeah.
Look what you got out of your crate. You got an unreleased shield. Oh, what? That just disappeared.
I think it's still in your backpack or it disappeared.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it
Interesting
disappeared.
summonings.
Do you want a bigger backpack? Do y'all want a bigger backpack?
Huh? Alright.
Nah, I'm
I
good.
find you everywhere!
I'ma go mind.
He's inside.
If you die,
Oh! Guys, look, it's Jeremy. Don't kill Jeremy.
Jeremy! What's up, Jeremy?
I
Guys,
find
they're
you everywhere,
cold-blooded
guys.
killers.
Go mine. Let's go mind.
Hopefully we find another Jeremy.
Meow!
I will.
Down me! Yay!
What does hardcore mean? Does it mean like
Yeah.
if you die, you don't have another life?
I'm recording. Okay. Yeah. I may have 2 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Okay, Bob VR 55.
I found the vault.
Oh, found the vault. Good job. Good job.
What does the vault do?
If you want to subscribe, you can, my YouTube channel is Bob VR 55. I only have like 2 subscribers, so.
Yo, I'm coming, frog. I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Okay.
I can't grab these.
Okay. Ready to jump down?
Yeah. 3, 2,
1
1.
second. I'm coming! Ah! I'm falling! Where are you at? Where are you at? Oh, I see you! Before, some of my videos don't have audio in them for some reason. Probably because I was recording off the Yeeps app. Well, in the Yeeps video. Come on, bro, where are you at? Oh, I think I see you. I think I know where you are. Ah! Guys, look, it says danger. I don't think that's too dangerous.
No. It's not
Ah! Ow! I think I broke my legs.
We're going here. We're going here.
I forgot I don't have legs. I'm so glad I got the companion app so I could finally like talk and y'all could hear me.
We gotta go this way. This way. Oh wait.
It's over here, I think. It's over here. It's over here. You could see my hand, same color. It's camera. You remember I showed you earlier? So yeah. And I just.
We gotta keep going deeper.
Yeah, we gotta keep going deeper.
We gotta
Okay.
go down.
See this? I'm coming.
Yo, we're here. We're at
It's
the
lava
hard-
land.
We gotta get some crystals and go back home.
Yeah.
One
Look, you
more.
can see some people over
and
there.
then
Look,
we're
people are
going.
over there.
Oh my god. Wait, let me get that.
Parkour.
Oh my god. Yo, I found something.
I don't have a pickaxe. Guys, should we go? I thought that vault would open by now. I could have a lookout. Oh, the guy's over here. The guy's over here. Close-up shot of that. Sees me. coming, 1 second. Okay, that guy's up there, okay. Oh, sorry guys, I have to kind of change the camera angle. Run! Whee! Oh, my eyes. One second, do you think my camera wants to go in there?
Huh?
Do you think my camera wants to go in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get him in.
I hope it doesn't sell any money.
Yeah.
Wait, let me see if I can grab it. Let me see if I can grab it.
I might have to turn the setting on. I'm gonna
Yeah,
check for a second.
I can't grab it.
Oh, I don't think there's a setting to let. Oh, it could look at me. I can make it just stay right there. Try to grab it. Try to grab it real quick.
Yo, let it follow you. Let it follow you.
Guys, who wants to go and
Yo, don't worry about the wind because that's my fan.
Oh, okay.
Let me just turn it.
who wants to go to Squid Games with me?
Oh, thanks.
My fan almost failed. I think it should be good.
Hey guys, you want to go to Squid Games with me?
Okay, it's good.
Oh, thanks.
You
I'm trying
can't
to fix
hear
my
the
camera
wind anymore?
No, I can't.
How do you
I
get
can't
that,
hear
bro?
them. Companion app. 1 second.
That's how you get the
I'm doing-
camera. It says it was for 10.
Where's my crowbar?
I'm gonna can you join in?
Twinkie Winky.
Okay, I don't know how the camera quality got like this, but I could try to fix it again.
Twinkie Winky.
Okay. I didn't fix the camera quality yet, but it's okay. It's okay. Guys, where do you want to go?
Oh.
I kind of hear the wind again.
Just don't worry about it.
Okay. Guys, look, it's Polar Bear the 16th.
Yo, guys, wait
No.
for me.
1 second, Mr. Polar Bear, watch him.
25,000K. Yo, I have 25,000K.
Polar Bear, stop trying to eat him.
Ew,
Okay.
look at his eyes, bro. Why is our eyes like that?
I don't know. He could hold my camera. Look. Guys. Is that like... Oh, guys, look. That's cool. The little plug tail. Oh, the astronaut. That's cool.
I have two purple crystals, whatever it's called.
Research points.
Gems. Research points. I get glitch into here. You wanna see?
1 second.
Okay.
I'll kind of look good with the polar bear outfit.
The mouse is still here. when you touch it, you don't die.
Yeah. I could also get in here. Look. Oh.
Huh?
I could also get in
where?
here. In here.
Huh?
I can get in both of them. Look.
Ah! Hold up.
Ah.
Wait, where are you? Oh, you're in there? Where are you?
No.
Oh. I did.
Wee! Ah!
Ah! I think you gotta jump.
Yeah, I think you have to. I think you have to time the jump perfect.
I almost went all the way inside.
Same. Oh, dang it. That one was pretty bad.
I'm in! Can
You
you see
are?
me? Yes. Can you see me?
1 second. Oh yes!
Hello. Look, I'm a skeleton.
I'm
my
a
God.
I see a polar bear yacht.
Look at my butt cheeks. Oh my God, bro, my butt.
Ah! My camera!
Oh. Ah.
I have to go get my camera.
Wait, I can see your camera. I can see your
Same.
camera. Hello.
1 second, you stay out
I'm
here.
a polar bear. I'm super
You-
black.
You stay out here
And
let me know. And let me know if you could see my body in there, okay? You stay out here,
Okay.
okay?
Okay. Go in. I can see it from the top. Wait, go back.
Ah!
Go back. Wait, your camera is in my butt cheeks.
Yeah! Alright. I have my pet hamster.
I can see you from the top. Yeah, I can. Wait, you stay out here. You stay out
I think
here.
I might need to
Let me-
reset my camera. Okay. I fixed it. Get my camera out.
Okay. Oh, wait, hold on. I messed up. Okay.
I'm gonna. Hey,
But-
hey, you wanna come to my basement? Come on, follow me if you want free candy.
I want some candy.
Okay, follow me.
Okay.
Come on. Okay, over here.
I'm coming.
Okay, I think I have to turn the brightness up on my phone. Oh, not volume. Okay. It's
I know how to
better.
do a glitch.
I drown cameras.
You can't grapple these. They're too metal.
Yeah, I hate that they put grapples. They can't grapple on some things. I'm going this way. I'm going the easy way. Wait! Gingan guli guli guli, one jumping gun guli gun guli gun guli guli. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave y'all right here. Okay, don't do anything while I'm gone, okay?
Bye bye.
What did you do? The ship is broken!
Woo. Woohoo! Yo, you wanna see me? You wanna see me? What? Bye bye. Bye bye.
Get out my house! Ah! Not my child. His name's Jeremy the Jim Bob the 16th. Put your hands up. Woo! A little game of Russian roulette.
Hi.
Who is this?
Babush! Babush!
You know, I'm gonna try with my camera. Ah!
You push, when you shoot me, you push me down. Where are you? Ding dang doody doody
Jeremy, what are you doing? Jeremy, what are you doing with a gun? Pew pew pew. Totally synchronized cutscene. Now for the real movie. Oh no, the ship, it's broken. Come on, let's go in my basement. I'm going in my basement. You do?
Yo, I'm here. You have a
What's up?
flashlight? There you go.
Yeah, I got one flashlight.
I just need a flashlight. We're trying to find a flashlight.
Sorry guys, the camera's angle's pretty weird. Oh no, water! Woo! Ah, my camera! Okay, good.
Yo, where are you?
I'm at the bottom of the lake. I'm already here.
Oh. It's following you. The camera.
Trying to fix it.
Make it close. Yeah, that's better. I think you could grab it.
Ah, sorry
Yo,
guys,
follow-
that y'all have to look at my hand.
Make it follow you. It's more so you don't have to hold it.
Don't do that.
Make your camera follow you. It's more easier.
It could only follow in front of me. And I don't want to get random face shots like this. I want it to be in front of me, like a body cam kind of.
Yeah, it's too
Don't-
creepy in there. Yo, wait. Let me put the flash.
Okay,
let me
camera, you watch, okay? Sorry, camera. Don't worry, I have a
Yo,
revolver up
come
here.
in, come in, come in, come in. Not that scary. Wait, let me put the. Why are you scared of?
Because
Yo, the monsters are scared of the flashlight. If you get too closer, that's how they try to kill you. So they're scared of light. They like back up.
I thought they loved light.
No, they don't. They hate light because you know that when you turn on your light, skinwalkers don't really like it.
Oh, I
So
see the
that's-
skinwalker. It's right there. It's right there.
Yo, wait, go! Look! I go find you, look in there. Oh! Don't.
Mess with it. Mess with it.
He's on the right, he's not right. He's right. Oh my god, he's
Still
there!
There. Go get his attention.
He's right there. Hey!
if I want. I think it's in there. Guys, the saddest thing has happened. His headset died. So sad. Probably gonna stop recording because